Hi everyone, welcome to Kathy's Cooking. A very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all my viewers. This Ganesh Chaturthi, I am going to present to you all a series of Ganesh Chaturthi delicacies. So what are you all waiting for? Let's get started. Thank you for watching the video guys. Hope you all enjoyed. Do let me know down in the comments section how you all liked it. Do share and subscribe to the video if you haven't done yet. Thank you and a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi once again. Bye bye.